gonna be like, why fly when you can get high? What? Let me stop it, yo. Oh my god. What's up, YouTube? Best back at it again, doing a quick little speed paint of this kind of funny drawing that I decided to do for the show. I don't know if you guys are associated or know about Kind of Funny, but Kind of Funny is like a gaming show where like they give you news on, like, it's like daily news on games and you know, things that happen within the gaming community and all that good stuff. So really cool community, really cool people, love them to death. My husband got me onto them because he watches them a lot, of course. So like, definitely love to watch them and hear, because like usually I will hear them and, you know, work on other things. But yeah, so they just hired not so long. Well, it's been a while, you know, that that Blessing has been with them. But yeah, Blessing is a new member of Kind of Funny, and they had this thing going down where Spirit of Halloween kept giving him things because he didn't know the colors of Halloween. And it was like tearing the community apart. They didn't know if they wanted to choose Greg over him. It was crazy. But I thought it was funny. I thought it was something that I can play on and just, you know, make a nice piece and just, you know, give homage to the whole, like, the fun activity that was happening within the community. And basically, I love Blessing. He's like amazing. It's just a real cool person. I resonate with him and stuff like that. Like, I resonate with all of them. I even love Kevin. Like, he laughs in the background and it gives me pure joy. So, I was like, you know what? Let's make a kind of funny Halloween jokester type of piece. So that's what I decided to work on, and I decided to actually choose a Pumpkin King. I thought it'd be funny to have Blessing the Pumpkin King, and because, you know, he just didn't know, and it was just pure humor. And the fact that Spirit of the Halloween was giving him freaking free clothing and everything, it just uplifted my spirit. I was like, this is amazing. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. I do these things on stream. I don't know if you guys know, but I am live on Twitch Monday through Fridays, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys ever like wondering what the hell Vess is doing or like what she's been up to or anything, you can always find me there. You know, we study continuously growing. The community is amazing. The post community is growing, and the amount of support that I'm receiving on that end is just, it's so uplifting and great. And I just appreciate each and every one of you guys that decided to follow the posters over there and follow me over there and just, you know, hanging out with us and stuff. I do live things where, like, if you come into chat and you're like wondering how to do certain things for art, I do, you know, take time out and teach you how to do things live. And it's nice because you get feedback from it. And if you didn't really understand it, I can always go back and like talk to you guys about it. So like, it's a real awesome experience, something that, you know, I look forward to every single time. Again, I say this plenty of times, like when it comes down to YouTube, I started here and I love you guys and I love the whole atmosphere of it, but it just, video editing wasn't for me. Like doing this now, you know, just being able to talk and just like, you know, all this good stuff that I do now, it was really difficult before. So now that I'm streaming and I can pull up points and talk about it and just like really be in depth with what I'm speaking about, I feel like I've grown a lot from streaming and it's just like my main thing now. But again, I'm gonna continuously put videos up on here and like, you know, be able to give you guys a little bit more than just, you know, nothing at all, right? Because I still love my community. I love my channel. I'm still doing unboxings and stuff like that. So, you know, little clips and little things that I do on the on Twitch, I'm gonna try my best to at least post it. Some things I've noticed are getting like hit with copyright stuff, even though I'm using content free music. And it's really weird. So I had to like re-upload a lot of my speed arts and stuff like that. And it wasn't even speed arts, it was just me posting my whole live segments, and I know that that's not great for the algorithm, so I just like took them down, and that's why you see a lot of like re-uploads and stuff like that. It's just me trying to get it together and making sure that everything is YouTube worthy, I guess. If that makes any sense. I was gonna put music with this piece, but what happened was I'm getting tired of looking for music. Like honestly, getting tired of looking for music that is YouTube friendly. Like don't get me wrong, there are some that are YouTube friendly and I do appreciate it. It's just they're not my cup of tea, if that makes any sense. Like they're not my type of music. They're not just it doesn't, I don't know. Like I've been giving you guys classical music with the speed arts, and I'm sorry for that. Personally speaking, I'm sorry for that. But it's just I cannot deal. Like I really can't deal with the music quality that they have, you know. It's disheartening, you know. And you know, if you guys do music and you want to be like showcased and have like your name in the video and stuff like that, then just let me know. Hook me up with it, and I'll hook you guys up and put your name on it or whatever. If you do music, you know, if you don't want to do that, that's fine. But it's just a lot of it is not my cup of tea. It's just I can't deal with it. It's so serious that even Twitch has copyright strikes for people who use like regular music, but now Monster Cat has partnered with Twitch, so we able to use Monster Cat music and like you know copyrighted music because they partnered with Twitch, which is really cool. Um, but yeah, I know that's all I talk about, but that's you know that's basically my main spot. Ever since I moved my content there, it's been great because I've been at the level of like being able to get commissions, being able to get seen more, and all that good stuff, you know, for not only myself but my community, you know. And if I want to be the artist that helps other people, other artists, and you know, do my due diligence in this community, I think I need to grow. And that was my thing. Being on YouTube, I was growing slowly, but not to the extent where I was like meeting people, networking, and doing all that good stuff. Being on Twitch, I was able to network. I was able to talk to other people, like-minded people, artists, all that good stuff. So this is why I made the switch, you know. Um, it's usually hard for people to even make the switch and start from ground zero. But I can honestly say I grew my Twitch channel a lot better than I did my YouTube channel. Like, you know, it's just a lot more networking. Like, it's just a lot more networking, just everybody talking with each other and just, you know, learning about other people, learning about other artists, and just growing from there. So it's been a really great experience, and I'm gonna continue doing it. But yeah, I had to definitely post these pieces up for you guys because I work really hard on these pieces, and I thought like, why not post it up? Why not show you guys what we're doing over there? Why not show you guys what's happening? What's happening on the Post Nation side of Twitch? Like you guys are just having a ball, huh? And we are like we definitely are. We're making great content. We're making great everything. Being trying to talk to each other. We got a Discord now for the Twitchers, so it's just crazy. And you know, just continue to grow, continue to be more connected with my community. And that's my thing. I want to be connected with my community. I want to be able to talk to you guys. I want to be able to laugh with you guys. Get information from you guys. Like sometimes I'll be drawing something and you're like, oh, maybe how about try this color, you know? That community interaction is something that I love, and I want to continue forward in this journey of like me creating content and me becoming, you know, I don't know what you call those people. Like, what do you call those people that, you know, they make content and stuff like that and they have a community and they're just driven? I want to be that. I want to be somebody who is like you know, helping other people and becoming community driven and, you know, continuously growing and growing in my own craft, because now I'm doing commissions and stuff, something that I was never doing that much um, here on YouTube. When I went to Twitch, it was more like I'm making people's banners and their emotes and everything. So like there's a lot more, you know, networking, a lot more tying hands with other people, rubbing elbows with great artists, you know. So it's just like one of those things where like it's more interactive, rather than here on YouTube. Not trying to, you know, just YouTube or whatever, because YouTube does its own thing. But um, for me personally, and for my for how I am and how I think and how I go through life, um, it basically that's how I'm taking this whole experience, you know. I've been linked up with gamers, I've been linked up with artists, I've been linked up with people who crochet, sculptors. Like it's been so amazing. Just everybody in their own craft and all these different content creators, you know. Um, so yeah, I've been really, really hard and steadfast on that. And I've been, you know, telling people about like Clip Studio, how that works, doing like little tutorials for people who just get Clip Studio and stuff, especially if like they need like a live helper. I've been doing that on my channel. Just, you know, it's been a really great experience. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy what I've created here. Um, I don't know if you guys are like into like, you know, gamer news and all that good stuff, but if you are, I will recommend Kind of Funny. They're really amazing people. It's just a really great community. Even with the art side of that community is awesome, you know, and just meeting them, and you know, it's just been a good time. And just a lot of love and a lot of greatness coming out of, you know, these experiences, especially drawing and you know, drawing people that I like to do like I like to watch and stuff like that. So it's been really cool. um but yeah, right now I don't know if you well, right now you might see this in January, like 2021. But right now I just recently came out the hospital for my gallbladder removal. So I'm a week in already, and I'm feeling a lot better. And I'm talking with my community with it. They've been very supportive and great. And even though I'm not streaming as much, just the amount of support and the amount of people that's just like, you know, watching my back and giving me prayers and positive vibes, it's been really helping me through it. Um, I couldn't I couldn't ask for more, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that this community is like the best community. I love this is my favorite community. And it's not because, you know, it's because my community, you know. And this is something that we've grown together with. It's just the fact that you guys are some amazing people, amazing, talented, just outgoing, very social, loving people. And it's just like amazing to be going through this experience with you guys. And as I grow and become a better content creator, you know, and seeing us grow and seeing us linking arms with people that are, you know, in different businesses and stuff like that, I feel like, you know, this is amazing. It's just amazing, amazing experience. And I'm taking you guys on the ride with me. And it's just like, I can't wait till, you know, all this is said and done and we look back on it and we just like be in awe in all the obstacles as we've been in, and what we overcome and stuff like that. So it's just really, 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 I feel blessed, you know. I feel blessed to having such a great community, and I thank you guys. If you guys like this content and the stuff that I'm saying, you know, definitely hit that like and follow. You know, check me out on Twitch one day. I have all the links down in the bottom, so you can definitely check me out and all my stuff. I'm growing my Twitter and my Instagram and stuff, so definitely Vesenia Designs, look me up. But yeah, we're getting close to the end of this, and this is how it came out. I think it came out looking really dope, and I loved it, and their community loved it. So I just wanted to shout them out. It was just amazing. Thank you so much for even shouting me out, guys. But yeah, definitely come check me out. This is my times. I love y'all. Bye.